Hey guys, if you're trying to hotspot from your iPhone and the hotspot is not showing up, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure that the cellular data on your iPhone is working as intended. So we can do that by clicking on the settings icon, click on mobile service, and then you just want to make sure mobile data is turned on and enabled. You can actually try switching this off for a couple of seconds and then turning it back on. And once it's turned on and enabled, just head over to something like an internet browser just to double check that your internet is actually working. So once you've ensured that your internet is working correctly, we can head back over to the settings page, and from here we need to select Personal Hotspot. Now make sure your hotspot is turned on and enabled, and also make sure maximize compatibility is turned on and enabled. Now from here we're just going to turn off allow others to join, and you're going to leave this off for a couple of seconds, and then you can try turning it back on, and then you can wait a few seconds and check to see if your personal hotspot is showing up on your other devices. If it's still not working, then what you can do is perform a soft reset of your iPhone. Now to do this, you just need to tap the volume up button and then the volume down button, and then you're going to hold down the power button on the right hand side. So I'm going to do this with you now. Press the volume up, press the volume down, and then hold down this power button, and you're just going to keep holding it down until your iPhone turns off. So it's going to pop up with slide to power off. We're just going to keep holding it down, and once it's finally turned off, you can then release this button, and then we're going to hold it down for a few seconds again, and the Apple logo should appear and it should fire back up your iPhone. Now once your iPhone's turned on, you can then once again check your hotspot, and that should have now solved that issue. If it's still not working, then you may need to check with your network provider. I know there are some network providers out there that don't allow you to hotspot, and it also depends on your mobile data plan. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.